Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn off Autorotation on this device. Firstly, you need to access the app menu. Now find Autorotate icon and tap on it. As you can see, now this icon is white. That means that Autorotation is off, but you can also go into device settings. Over here, scroll down, choose display and brightness, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to Autorotate screen. As you can see, if the switcher is grey, that means that Autorotation is disabled, but you can easily just check it out by going into any app and simply turning your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!